Hey everybody, Jared Allen here with Bully Bag and Tool Company. Want to demonstrate 3 of the tools that we provide on our website here. One is the Bully Bag Pitch and Slope Indicator, the Hague 409 Shingle Gauge, and the Bully Bag SideBar. This is an outstanding tool. If you're not using the SideBar, then you probably should be. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the pitch gauge here. So you need to create a flat surface in order to get the right pitch. We could do it over on the other side of this roof mock-up, but if there might be some managers out there watching, and they want to make sure I'm doing this right. So we've got a flat surface here, bridging the shingles, and of course this comes up to be a 12-12. Photo document it, move on. Next thing we want to demonstrate is how to use your Hague shingle gauge to determine the shingle's warranty level. A lot of times it's too hot, so they're stuck together, they're old, they're crusty, it's just not going to work. You got to get something under there, and the SideBar is that tool to do that. So what you're going to do is you're just going to slide this underneath the shingle, work your way until you get it free, and now you've got a nice pliable area to work from. Use your shingle gauge. So because we've got an easy area here to work with, this is really simple. We're going to slide that on till it meets resistance. And as it turns out, this is a 40-year shingle right there. We photo document that, pull it off, and be on our way. If you're using a shingle gauge, then odds are you're probably using a SideBar too. So be sure to pick both of those up whenever you're looking around the shop. I want to show you something about that SideBar since we're talking about it. The curvature on that is amazing. It does work to help protect your fingers even, but it's not made for that. It's made for removing siding. Maybe you got to do an ITEL sample. Maybe you got to document if there's house wrap, if there's insulation, or maybe you're a siding professional and you just are doing legitimate siding repairs and installation. We can see here, because this is a cut-up mock cutaway, that this is where the siding connects underneath. So to show you how this works, I'm just going to slide this up underneath there, and you see it roll around and grabs that lip. Grip it and zip it, as we say. Pick up your SideBar, your Hague shingle gauge, your pitch gauge, all here at bullybag.com, and be prepared to claim the storm.